Alright, so this is my new build. I just put it together. It's giant Talon, 27.5, 650B. Anyway, I scrapped the wheels and I went to 26-inch. That's pretty much what I do on all these bikes. 26-inch works the best with a 175 tire. I'm running a Continental Ride Tour on the front, a Schwalbe Marathon on the back. These are double wall stainless steel 36 spoke wheels. So they're extremely straight and they stay that way. You can hit bumps, potholes. When you're doing 35, 40 miles an hour, you don't have any movement, swaying of the wheels, or they're not going to fall apart on you. Everything's stainless steel on them. The rims, the spokes, everything really heavy duty, suitable for like a tandem bike with 500 pounds. Very heavy duty. Anyway, I'm running a staton friction drive. The motor's all custom done. I just put this motor together. It has the high-low adjustable carb on it. That's from a 2-stroke, specially modified. That's a 5-horsepower Honda engine lawnmower. It was also specially modified. It has a CNC machine cam, changing the duration in the lift. That was all specially modified. It runs like hell, man. It really does. The bike is outstanding. Anyway, I'll flip it around. I'm just making this video pretty much. If anybody's putting a bike together, you can get ideas from this. This is a tried and true build, meaning it's not an experiment. I've built many of them. And this is like the culmination of everything I've learned, through all these builds. And so anyway, this is a 35, 40 mile an hour bicycle. This is not just, let me cruise around the campsite at 10 miles an hour as a novelty. This is actually a bike you can use as solid transportation. I don't use the bike lane when I ride these bikes. I use the slow lane. I get in the right lane and I cruise with traffic. That's how fast they go. I'm running a SRAM X5 with the chrome Shimano 8-speed riser, Sunlight 3-inch lift bars, Tektro disc brakes, staton friction drive, Schwalbe Marathon on the rear, Continental Ride Tour on the front. Like I said, it's got the lockout forks. I keep them locked out. So if anybody's putting a bike together, this is the way to go, man, on a friction drive. Absolutely. Yeah, runs great. Really does. The motor runs really good, man. So anyway, I'll make another video of hauling butt on this thing. Hope you enjoy the video.